Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make your own stretch mark oil, make a stretch mark cream. I would have done this, but for one ingredient, like there's no way I'm doing this. So I'm just going to tell you guys how you can make it. It's a very simple recipe and it works marvelously. Like it's perfect. It works very, very well. So yeah, in as much as these other oils are in the market, and trust me, they do work. We have Shalom, we have different stretch mark oils in the market. They do work. If you've used it, you will know that yes, they do work, but they are slow. Nobody's going to produce anything for you that is going to give you a permanent result. Their market is going to spoil. They need you coming back. They need you to see results and then come back to get more. So it does work. You need to have patience with it as well. So yeah, I'm going to be telling you guys this recipe, and it works super amazing. Try this recipe out. Come back after a week or two. Come back to this video and then tell me and give me your results. Just come and give me your result. Trust me, it's going to work very well for you. So the first thing you need is shea butter. So you need shea butter and you need emulsifying wax or your beeswax, whichever one you need or whichever one you prefer or you work with. Anyways, I would say beeswax because we're not going to be working with water. So we're not going to be working with water. So you need beeswax. So what you need is your beeswax, you need your shea butter, and then you need your snake oil. When I mean snake oil, guys, I don't mean those adulterated oil, snake oil they get a very good snake oil. Like snake oil is perfect when it comes to stretch marks, scars, and all these things. I just can't deal with the smell. If not, we have snake oil in the house, but I really just can't deal with the smell. They killed a very big snake somewhere around here, like it was very massive, and they gave my mom part of the oil for her leg and all that. So snake oil is very good. It's very expensive. To get the real one, it's expensive. Like it's very, very expensive. If you're getting a cheaper one, and know that yeah, that one has been mixed. Yeah, but it's very, very expensive. Some you can get it with the fat. If you get like all these aboki or outside people like they can get the original one from them. Most times you see the fat inside. Or anyways, guys, what you do is you melt the snake oil. It smells a lot, double boil, and then melt it. You understand how double boiler works, right? So you melt this oil. It smells a whole lot, like it smells very, very well. So if you're the type that don't like the smell, there's going to be a problem, but this thing works. But if you're not the type, if you're the type that don't care about the smell, then yeah, double boil it, bring it to a boil. We just need, if there's a fat inside, yeah, you just need the fat to mix with the oil with the heat, and then it comes to a boil. Like it comes to liquidy, you understand? Like oily. And then what you need is your shea butter, your beeswax in another container, put it in there, and then melt it. Put it in a double boiler and melt it. And then add your snake oil. Filter it, guys. You don't want particles in there. So make sure you strain it out and let the oil. So now you're turning the snake oil in your melted wax and oil, which is your shea butter and your beeswax. And here you have your snake oil. So you're going to sieve or filter your snake oil into the shea butter oil and then mix together. Mix it very, very well. Just keep on whisking, and then add some drops of vitamin E. Vitamin E is also very good for repairing skin. It's very excellent also for stretch mark. So mix. And then the next thing you're going to be needing, guys, yeah, you can add fragrance. If you're the type that cannot deal with the smell, you can add any fragrance of your choice. Okay. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to get a stretch mark cream. There are very good stretch mark creams in the market, in the cosmetic store. So you can get a very good stretch mark cream from there. When you've mixed your oils together, you mix it, and then you turn your cream, this stretch mark cream, turn it inside this mixture and mix very, very well. Make sure it combines, and then you apply this your bust area or your back area, wherever, or your legs, anywhere it is. just apply it morning and night. Make sure the part you're applying it is very clean. Make sure it's clean, shower and then, apply. So do this twice a day, and I guarantee you in 2 weeks you are seeing massive change. Massive change. And I'm sorry I couldn't do the practical for you guys. I just can't stand the smell of that snake oil. Like, because of me, my mom had to stop using that thing. That's how bad it was. It stinks so bad. Smells like snake. So yeah, my imagination plus the snake they killed that was very massive. Like, guys, that snake could swallow somebody like me. Legit, I'm not lying. So no. Anyways, I hope this video was useful to you. So what you need is just your shea butter, snake oil, beeswax, and then a very good stretch mark cream. Combine together, and then you make that side, make then add your cream to it, mix, you've turned to your cream, and then use it. If you want to sell this recipe, yes, you can sell this recipe. Only thing is that use it on yourself first, see the reaction on, I've always said use these things on yourself first before you put it out there, or use it, give to somebody that you feel has that problem, or as a test person, and then let them give you back their, or tell you their feedback, and then you can put it out in the market. But legit, this thing works super amazing well. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really love you guys. My next video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.